Okay, what up guys? It's your boy Job Zero from FTM Music. We are making music talent. Now we are unboxing your BOYA BY-MM1. This is from online. We keep buying online from Take a Lot. We are taking a lot for real. Now this is your universal cardioid microphone. So okay, it's compatible to your cell phones, your tablet, your laptop, your camera, your camcorder, if you know what I mean. By camcorder. Anyway, never mind the obstruction. Now let's unbox this mic and see what's on the inside. Okay. Now this mic comes with two cables compatible for your camcorder, your laptop, your tablet, your cell phone. Yeah. Now we use this mic for outdoors shoot, like your drama, your movie, your music video. If you want the sound to be a quality, minimize the noise of the trees, the grass, the wind, the birds, and everything. So it makes your sound to be a quality. It also comes with this launching what do you call this? It's a clip. It's a clamp. Okay, it comes with the clamp, but then I took it out because I bought it and I was testing it, so I misplaced it. But then hopefully I will find it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and like or comment or share. You can also find us on Facebook by the name of FTM Music Talent. Yeah, this is it.